I am standing above at height h, and then I am getting the angle of 45 degrees. Okay. So tan of 45 equals to, see this. Now look at this properly. Tan means this total opposite upon adjacent, right? AB. Okay. This is AB, means this AB and this H and this point H are same. So this opposite is what? See this. This is A plus H. How? See here. From this water, this height is H and this is further height is A. So the reflection will be for the full, right? A plus H. So that's why it is A plus H below the water. Now tan 45 is what? A plus H, right? The whole upon AB, right? This AB adjacent. Okay. Now tan 45 we know, that is 1. Therefore AB equals to A plus H, that is A plus 2H. Okay. Now we got AB, A plus 2H. Okay. Now tan theta equals to what? A upon AB, right? That is A plus 2H. Therefore A plus 2H, let's solve this. A plus 2H equals to A upon tan theta, right? Okay. So make this cot theta. Therefore A plus 2H equals to A cot theta, right? So take A on the other side. A cot theta minus A equals to 2H, right? Okay. Take A common. A into cot theta minus 1 equals to 2H. Therefore A equals to 2H upon cot theta minus 1. That is the required answer. We want it in terms of H and theta. Okay. Now in exam, if it is given in terms of cot theta, keep it as it is. If it is given in terms of tan theta, then convert this cot to 1 upon 10, then solve it. Tan will go up, 2h tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now if it is given in terms of sine and cos, then you will have to solve this again, sine and cos. So cot will be what? Cos upon sine, then multiply this sine and this sine goes up, 2h sine theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. Now that depends on what your answer is in the exam. Okay, check that. And to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.